Welcome to another video. For those who are new here, I'm Kevin. So this is a video dedicated to a friend. She was having a problem promoting a specific product on Jumia. Yeah, so if that's what you want to do too, this is the video for you.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race.
Of course, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. So today I'm showing you how to use the link function on Jumia, and there's something also that I learned recently about all of that thing, all of the especially when it comes to custom links that I'll be sharing. So make sure you stick to the end. So assuming I want to promote this product, what do I do? So all you have to do is copy this link, head over to Jumia. Then so once you are in your account, go to advertising and then click on custom links. Then of course follow the same process. Make sure it's Kenya. Paste that link here, and then there will be a generated link. Yes, so this is your customized advertising link, which means this link now already, so if you share this link, it means it already has your tracking code in it. And just copy it and then you start sharing. Now what I would do next after this, instead of just sharing direct, is to set this up, additional tracking. Maybe I should say that this is not a must. Yes, you can just share this directly, but for me I need some additional information because I share these links in variety of places. I have like 5 blogs, so I need to know where this sale is coming from. The best additional tracking thing that I use is this channel. So if I'm sharing it on Facebook, I make sure here is written Facebook. What happens is they add Facebook into the URL. So if you look at the end of the URL here, you can see it's written Facebook. So if now I copy this and share on Facebook, anyone buying through that, I can easily see from my conversion dashboard that this sale came from Facebook. So that's really easy for me. Now for me, because I use a blog, for example, so considering these headphones, these earphones, I would share this, I would promote this on my blog. Yes, so I would make sure that here says my headphones blog. Yes, if it was a laptop, I would make sure that here says laptops.co.ke. That's one of my affiliate blogs. So let me show you how this looks like in the end. Look at the reports, just head over to reports and conversions. Now if you scroll, if you look at here, so all the tags that you've added there, let me say again, it's not must. You can share the link directly and you still okay. Yes. Now if you look at this sale, for example, this came from laptops.co.ke, so it's still bending. The commission, I made like 500 from that sale, so it's still bending. Maybe it will be rejected, maybe I'll pocket that money, who knows. But adding those information into the tracking code really helps me understand where the sale came from. Yes, so you can still do the same, but still if you want to promote a specific product, just copy the link, paste it here, and then copy this, and you're ready to go. Now the information that I talked about, the offers. Now the difference between offers and custom links is, with custom links you are promoting you can use it to promote a specific product. You can even use it to promote a specific category. Yeah, so if I want to promote all the headphones, for example, all the Bluetooth headsets on Jumia, I can go to that Bluetooth headsets, then copy this link, then paste it here, for example, and then promote that. Yes, even for example, if I want to promote all the Xiaomi products, go to Xiaomi category. Yes, copy that and then paste it here, and you get that. When it comes to offers, with the offers, you're promoting a whole category still, but here is the difference. I learned this recently. Here is the difference. With custom links, you only make commission if the person buys using a browser. So if someone if you share the link through custom links to someone, you won't make money if they go and buy on the app. Jumia says that there's a problem on their end. Yes, so they are working on it. They say they are working to fix that. So let's hope it's going to be fixed. So if you want a universal trackable link, I would suggest you go with the offers. Yes, so with the offers, they track both ways. They track from, even if they go to buy on the app, you still make the money, or even if they buy on the browser, you still make the money. Yeah, so that is it. Thank you for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. For those who are new here, I'm Kevin. Bye for now.